Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Nike Run app not opening problem. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Nike Run app. Now tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage and here clear the cache as well as clear the data. Now tap on OK. Now the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone or iPad, and then tap on search option. After that, tap on search bar and here search for Nike Run. Now tap on search option and here you will see update button option. So simply tap on update to update this app to the latest version. So this will fix the issue. I hope you will like this video. Thanks.